boats, aren't they?
Yeah. Eyeball.
Eyeball.
Oh no, it's on the right side as well. It's on the right side. No.
Oh!
Please.
Sometimes they split, sometimes they don't.
Please, no. Please, no.
Harry. Oh,
Oh, we
you
got away
missed
with
it. You missed
Oh
it.
no, watch there be another one now.
There will be. Oh!
Ah!
Ah!
What the hell? He looks a bit
Hello. It's gonna be rough.
Is this Mack ride?
Yeah. I reckon it's gonna be quite rough.
No.
Oh no. Oh no, it's gonna be rough.
We're not even halfway to the Silver Star. Oh no.
Oh god.
Oh dear, this is going to be rough.
Like I said.
This is going to be rough.
I think I've got bruises on my knees.
My leg.
That hurts so bad.
Ow.
I know, tell me about it.
I'm going to have bruised legs.
Oh, really? Yeah.
No, we've only got a drop one.
Oh, that really hurt. There's Grandma.
Where? Oh yeah. Grandma!
What?
That guy's raping.
That really
What guy?
hurts. That is rough. Seagulls. Sun's gone in a bit now when we've got on this ride.
Oh, this is I'm not re-riding this.
No, I'm not. I think one ride's enough. I like the other water coaster. That bend before you do that weird drop. Oh. Silver Star.
Oh no, we're going to get wet off that.
Star Silver.
Yeah.
Too bad.
There's dolphins though.
Oh no, please. Please don't, please. I think we're fine.
That we didn't get that wet. That I got airtime. I didn't get that wet. Look at the station, it's amazing. That is rough. I much prefer
That is very
Atlantica
rough.
Super
Atlantica
Splash.
Super Splash is a lot better.
A lot better.
There she is.
Oh, she's coming to the end now. Coming to the end. There's Grandma.